Now, we've partnered with BitFi because they possess and provide many tools, features, benefits, assets, and rewards that no other crypto exchange does, including giants Coinbase and Crypto.com. Now, once you open your BitFi account, you have the ability to copy trade masters in one click and let them trade for you while you're sleeping. Now, right here, we're looking at some of the trade masters right here. Now, as you can see here, there are currently over 100,000 users that have used copy trades. All right. Now, I'm going to go down here in a little more detail for you because this is a very short video. We're looking here at Do Remai. That username, he's up 450% over the last 30 days, which is phenomenal. Good job. Okay. And once you have an account, you can go in and verify all these statistics, all right? Because we only deal in numbers and facts here, not feelings. You can see here some more master traders here. Everybody's results are different from one person to the next, which is how life is. Okay. Now we can see here, I'm going to show you something else. Now also, once you sign up, you'll get $288 in rewards for completing tasks. All right, I'm going to show you a few of the tasks. These are the new user tasks here. First of all, broken down in a new user task and advanced task. And you can earn over $100 just for a basic task as a new user. All right, and then down here, the advanced task. Okay. Now right here we're looking at the markets. I'll show you several things on here. You also gain access to over 400 tokens, many of which are not available on Coinbase or Crypto.com. All right, which ones you may ask? Alice is one of them. Not on Coinbase, not on Crypto.com. And then also right here. And right here I'm going to show you a few others, since you would like to know what else is available on BitFi that's not available on Coinbase or Crypto.com. Are you watching what I'm showing you? Right here. Baby Doge, Kate, Feg, Floki, not on any of the major exchanges. And look, on BitFi in the last 24 hours, 5.5 million worth of Floki has been traded, I should say, on BitFi. But you can't get it on Coinbase or Crypto.com. You can get it here. This is why we have partnered with BitFi. Okay, one of many reasons. And that's why we're sharing this with you. All right. Also, has lower transaction fees than both Coinbase and Crypto.com. And by becoming a user, you will possess the power of being able to leverage your assets up to 150 times of what they are. Okay. This is true power that we're talking about here. This is what this is. All right. Now, using our official link, U.S. and Canadian residents, you'll get $100 when you make your first deposit of just $100. All right. And also by using our link to sign up for your own account, each time that you make a transaction, you will save 10% on your transaction fees each and every time, as long as you are a user. Do you understand? Okay. So we're talking several hundreds of dollars or potentially thousands of dollars. All right. Depends on how much you're investing. You're welcome. Now, if this video has been of value to you, contribute to the growth of our channel by hitting the like button, by sharing this video with someone that you care about, who you know will benefit from it greatly, by sending a super thanks, and lastly, by making a donation with any ERC20 token.